Welcome to Creamer Media's Resources Watch, a weekly video roundup of the events and people making and shaping the news in the mining industry. This week, Rockwell Diamonds eyes consolidation opportunities. Debt-free Pan-African thumbs its nose at the low gold price. And 25,000 ex-mine workers come forward to claim their unpaid benefits. Diamond mining company Rockwell Diamonds, which has made impressive operational and organic growth strides in the last 3 years, believes it is well positioned to bring single asset operations into its fold.
Martin, I firmly believe there are. If you look at the number of private diamond mining companies as well as public companies listed both in Canada, Australia and on the London market, there are a number of companies out there with single assets. And the one thing that Rockwell has is it has, as I've spoken about earlier, a great management team, and it has supported by a wonderful board. And we feel with our focus in South Africa, and we are very committed to South Africa, that we have a management team that could take on other assets and convert our organic growth strategy into a corporate strategy to become a successful mid-tier Southern African focused diamond mining company.
London and Johannesburg listed gold mining company Pan-African Resources is tackling freshly identified brownfield operations in addition to recovering surface gold from tailings at Barberton and being well on the way to doing the same at Evander.
Looking at the group as a whole, without too much forward looking on it, our production target for this current year is to achieve about 215,000 ounces of gold. We're on target to achieve that. On the cost side, there have been numerous cost pressures which we're all aware of, the labour increases which have come through. But I think we'll be able to retain an increase in the region of about 10%. It will be extremely difficult for us not to go ahead in the years to come and not pay a portion of the profits out to shareholders.
More than 25,000 former mine workers have come forward so far to claim unpaid Provident Fund and Service Award claims following the setting up of a call centre in Johannesburg to encourage them to come forward to collect an estimated 5 billion rand in outstanding applications.
In our radio campaign last month, as I said, received about 10,000 calls to our call centre and our walk-in centres throughout our footprint. And in this last month have received an additional 15,000. So in total, we've received more than 25,000. It's nearly 25,500 requests from people who suspect that they may be owed money by the mining industry. Very few payouts have been made as a result of this intervention, Martin. And the reason why, and we anticipated this, is that it takes a long time to get an application approved and money paid to people. It's administratively burdensome, and the money takes time to get to the beneficiary.
For mining news as it breaks, stay logged on to miningweekly.com and register for our free daily newsletter.